Taylor Hayes was shot and killed last year while sitting in the back of a car in southwest Baltimore.
Well, as the jury deliberates in her murder trial, the detective at the center of this case now facing legal troubles of his own.
WJZ is live right now. Rachel Mendentoff has been following this case for us. She is outside Baltimore City Circuit Court with those new developments. Rachel.
Rick and Nicole, the jury deliberated for about 5.5 to 6 hours before deciding to recess for the day. So they'll be back out here at the courthouse tomorrow morning at 9:15. They've been asked to consider first-degree murder and attempted murder charges against the defendant, Keon Gray. On July 5th, 2018, 7-year-old Taylor Hayes was riding in the car with her godmother, Darnell Holmes, and Holmes' boyfriend, Malik Edison. They were on Edmondson Ave in northwest Baltimore. Around 2:30 in the afternoon, someone fired shots through the trunk of their Honda, hitting Taylor in her back. She died 2 weeks later after a courageous fight for her life.
I'll never see my child again.
Taylor's family, including her mom, Shanika Robinson, have been in the courtroom for the trial of the man accused of firing those fatal shots. 30-year-old Keon Gray is accused of first-degree murder and a number of related charges. In their closing arguments, the prosecution says they're able to place Gray at the scene of the crime through cell phone site records and that his DNA was found inside the white Mercedes they believe was used in the commission of the crime. But the defense says this case is, quote, full of reasonable doubt. They questioned the credibility of the state's two main witnesses, Darnell Holmes and Malik Edison, who the defense says continue to lie to police and the jury. The defense also pointed to the testimony of one of the lead detectives in the case, who they say misrepresented text message conversations he had with an eyewitness to the shooting. WJZ has learned that the police sergeant who gave that misleading testimony, Sergeant Kevin Brown, has a pending drunk driving charge after he was involved in a crash along Interstate 95 near Edgewood last year. His trial is scheduled for later this year. Once again, the jury will return tomorrow morning at 9:15 to continue deliberating. We're live downtown. I'm Rachel Mendentoff for WJZ.